What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to Beehive using Zapier. This integration allows you to automatically add subscribers from your Webflow forms to your Beehive newsletter. Let's get started. First, make sure you have accounts with Webflow, Beehive, and Zapier. In your Webflow project, ensure you have a form set up to capture subscriber information. Now head over to Zapier and log in. Click on Create Zap. For the trigger, search for Webflow and select Form Submission as the event. Connect your Webflow account and select the site and form you want to use. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier can retrieve form data. For the action, search for Beehive. If Beehive isn't available directly, you can use webhooks by Zapier to send data to Beehive's API. In Beehive, generate an API key by going to Settings and clicking on API. Back in Zapier, set up the webhooks to post to Beehive's subscriber endpoint, including necessary headers and the email data from Webflow. All right, test the action to ensure subscribers are added to Beehive successfully. Then name your Zap and turn it on. Now, whenever someone submits the form on your Webflow site, they'll be automatically added to your Beehive newsletter list. And that's how you connect Webflow to Beehive using Zapier. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Links are in the description. I'll catch you next time.